All right, happy Thursday. My back is tight. Good thing I have Dario. All right, we're out here. We've just built this Universalift 8000 FP. These are the tribute colors we did for Barrett Jackson's show. Unfortunately, they didn't have it this year. But we'll be back next year. I'm sure everything will be back to normal, hopefully. Look at this red Viper on this red and black lift. Man. Nice engineered floor. We're right on top. He drove right on, no problem. Nice and slow, just creep right in. And the matching Viper sticker on the nice cabinetry. See, this is a possibility. You can take your home garage and make it look like a nice little workshop like this. You know? Cass. All right, if you need a lift, contact Christy. As always, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.